Hi, this is Dawn Michelle from Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing an oldie but goodie, and this is the Japan Crate October 2019 Premium Snack Box. Let's see what's inside, shall we? If you're curious to know more about Japan Crate, I have a series of prior reviews of Japan Crate Premium boxes. As you may or may not know, if you haven't checked out my videos, Japan Crate is a monthly goodie subscription box focusing on snacks that are sold and made in Japan. So this is anything from their local snacks, what they have in their versions of their grocery stores, to companies like, let's say, Pepsi or Starbucks that come out with their own drink or flavor version that they only have overseas versus what they have here in America. And it's just so interesting and so exotic and fun to try out different snacks from around the world. And Japan Crate, I think, is one of the better boxes out there as far as trying out for snacks that aren't, you know, the run-of-the-mill every day. Okay, so the premium box is here. I'm gonna list the prices here and here, and I'll also link at the end of this video my series on my reviews from my prior Japan Crate boxes. Let's see what's within, guys. And of course, it's chock full of goodies. And it's very, as you can see, Halloween related. You see skulls. And I think that's the Pokemon ball there. And lollipops and little mini ghosts. I can't wait to see what snacks they have in here that are Halloween themed. And as I've done in prior Japan Crate videos, I will color code what was in the mini versus what was in the original versus what's in the premium. As you saw, they come in different. And of course, as always, there's a brochure inside for the month that's featured, which of course here it says October 2019. And within the brochure, it lists the 3 versions of boxes that they come out with every month. They have 3. They have the mini, which is like 3 or 4 pieces, maybe 5. The next one is the original that includes everything in here plus this stuff. And then the premium box, which encompasses everything in the mini, the original, and plus adds 4 or 5 more pieces in the premium. And of course the prices are different for each box, but this box, the October box, comes out 3 times a month in different sizes and strengths. Now in here it says there's a bonus. They have, ooh, I can't wait to show you what that is. It also has, of course, this brochure here that says what's happening in Japan, the Osaka Kitchenware Street Festival, which was early October 2019, and it says need some new kitchenware. New kitchen gear, the Osaka Kitchenware Festival is for you. Do they have something like this in the United States? They probably do, but you know what? I love that they have this. The annual festival displays more than just your average kitchen goods. You can find the best Japanese knives, plastic food models, classic pottery, and more. And when your thoughts of the kitchen start making you hungry, indulge in Osaka's famous takoyaki, as well as a sample of the world record-breaking giant taiyaki. So it talks about, you know, some of the goings on that are in Japan. I don't know what this is the first thing I pulled out, but look how cute and fun that is. I thought they were straws initially, but I don't think so. I think it's sort of like a candy. You see how it has stripes down it? Pretty interesting. This is called the Fruits Monster Rainbow. Not all monsters are scary. This one has a fruity rainbow candy to share with you. Oh, bite into the soft gummy when you have a monstrous craving for something sweet. Oh, how sweet. Okay, and now the next thing is the Takenoko no Sato Strawberry Shortcake. Ooh, how cool is that? Takenoko no Sato in Japanese means bamboo shoot village, and that's exactly what's inside the box. Each chocolate biscuit is a baby bamboo shoot, except way tastier because they're strawberry shortcake flavor. Enjoy these creamy and strawberry covered cookie bites. This I'm definitely going to be trying out. Love strawberry. Strawberry shortcake, my favorite. Of course, some more like Halloween themed candy. I mean, look at that. Woo! Okay, this is the Pokemon Halloween Party Pack chocolate Pika Pika. These Halloween edition chocolate puff snacks are shaped like mini Pikachus. They're fun and tasty, and as is, mixed with milk or sprinkled on desserts. Gotta eat them all. Okay. How cute is the packaging? Oh, Japanese chestnut Mont Blanc caramel corn. Mont Blanc, isn't that a pen? Caramel corn is a JC family favorite, a popular Japanese snack known for its sweet, airy crispiness. This special seasonal flavor is Mont Blanc with Japanese chestnut, the perfect autumn snack since chestnuts are one of Japan's most popular fall treats. Okay, and we're keeping this going. I know this brand. This is Pocky. Okay, I think it's Pocky or Pocky. I think it's Pocky. Let's see what we can find here for Pocky. Here we go. Lovely Halloween chocolate Pocky. Each Pocky pack is decorated with a Halloween design. Ooh, here we go. Kick back and relax during your snack break with a classic Japanese snack. Look at this little, isn't this adorable? I love it, and of course it's from our friends at Disney. Highly recognizable here. So let's see what this is called. I think this is called the Halloween Disney Character Chocolate. Mickey and friends finished trick-or-treating and they're sharing their chocolate loot with you. Enjoy this Halloween Disney character milk chocolate. Wow. Now, no Japan Crave box is complete without this little guy, and I hope I'm doing him right, but maybe not. I think he goes like this, or could he go like this? Assuming it's this way. This is the Dengeki Hunter Soft Candy. That's Dengeki. Dengeki. In what may be one of our most unique DIY kits. You can't be without one of these DIY kits in these boxes. Hunt down an eel, cut him up, and pour the sauce on top to make your very own confectionery unagi. Just the right amount of macabre and fun for Halloween. Okay, this might be a little too violent for some kids and for some adults. Yikes. Look at this fun guy, and he's wearing a little witch's hat on his head, or cone of power, sometimes it's called. This is the Peanut Choco Ball Halloween Pack. You can't have Halloween without these classic Japanese chocolates. These milk chocolates covered. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that with the hat on. Very Halloween oriented. This is the Peanut Choco Ball Halloween Pack. Okay, you can't have Halloween without these classic Japanese chocolates. These milk chocolate covered crunchy peanuts are one of those treats you just can't stop munching on. Choco balls are a treat loved by all ages, so share them. That is, if you can contain your taste buds. I almost said bloods. Taste is the thing that I was almost going to say that it was a bonus, a premium bonus. And this is the Kit Kat Apple Pie Kit Kat. What? Oh, you know I'm going to be opening this bag. And it says Halloween break on the side. Oh my goodness, Apple Pie Kit Kat? What? These limited edition Kit Kats are apple pie flavored, but they're also purple. All right, look, see, purple right there. Oh my goodness, look at that. What's going on? Well, the story goes that the ghosts turned the chocolate purple for Halloween. They also made these delicious apple pie Kit Kats, the perfect balance of sweet and sour. They need to bring these to America. I hope they taste as good as they sound, because I think this is going to be delicious. This is Natto Umaebo. That's Natto for natto, and Umaebo is Umaibo. Have you ever wanted to try natto, a unique Japanese food that people either love or hate? Here's your chance to try it with this natto flavored Umaebo. So, What side are you on? Love or hate. Wow, that's strong. And this is the Halloween chocolate bat. Swing, better, better, swing. Swing, better, better, swing, better. Swing this chocolate-coated snack right into your mouth for its sweet and satisfying home run. So it's not a bat as in one of these. It's an actual like bat that you hit a ball with. Well, not a real ball, but you know what I mean. And I always love that they put these little extra like goodies in there, like these little gummies. And this looks like a miniature little like ice cream cone, kind of. Can you see that? Isn't that adorable? And then this is like a gummy. Looks like a ginger gummy. Could be. Or a soda gummy. This looks like a soda thing. And it's like one of those hard candies just pop in your mouth. It's probably fizzy candy. These are probably fizzy too. They probably pop like Pop Rocks. But you notice they have a symbol of the jack-o'-lantern. And another gummy. This is a cola ball. You see, it's probably tastes like soda. I love these little cute little candies that they throw in there. I love it. And finally, last but certainly not least, is the whole reason for the premium box, because they always tend to throw in, if not an especially interesting snack like those Kit Kat apple pie jams that I can't wait to dive into, but also they tend to throw in like a liquid drink that only gets sold out in Japan versus America. And this one is just as fascinating. Look at this. This is the Lipton, as in Lipton Tea Company, has a milk and caramel tea drink. Milk caramel tea drink? Loving it already. Let's see what it says here. Lipton Caramel Milk Tea. Refresh yourself with the limited edition Lipton Caramel Milk Tea after a long night of trick-or-treating and Halloween festivities. Ooh. Each bottle features famous collaboration artwork. I love that little guy. Look at that. It's so cute. Loving it. Love, love, love. Can't wait to try it. And that essentially is my review of the Japan Crate October 2019 premium box. What do you think? I love that it also has instructions for the DIY candy, how to put it together. It also invites you to post what you've experienced in your box online. It says here, we love our Japan Crate family, hashtag Japan Crate, for a chance to be featured in next month's issue, which is really cool. They have a Halloween contest that's going on there as well. And usually every month they have like some sort of a giveaway that, you know, subscribers are entered into to see if maybe they'll win a special crate box. And that's my review. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest foodie adventure. It was nice to revisit Japan Crate. I think I'm going to continue for the next couple of months, and I will be reviewing my snack journey here on my Makeup or Breakup blog, as per usual for my others. What do you think of Japan Crate? Would you try the mini, the original, or go all out with the premium box? Let me know in the comments below if you've tried it or are considering it. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me today. And again, this is Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog, and I will see you on my next video adventure. Take care.